Hey everybody, this is the Dashboard. And this time we're taking you out to the Hot Rods and Hogs car show put on by the Pharoah's Car Club at Trout Creek Memorial Park. And this is the Walkabout Cam. This was an awesome car show. There were tons of cars out there. I don't think I managed to see them all. But anyway, I took a lot of video, and here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
If they would unite, they brought it in Reedman's in Pennsylvania. It was a really good.
Johnny said, "Devil, just come on back if you ever want to try again. I done told you once, you son of a bitch, I'm the best that ever been." He played Pharoah around, run, boy, run. Devil's in the house of the rising sun. The chicken in the bread pan, I'm picking out dough. Ready where you don't find no child, no. What's that? She used to laugh, she used to sing, she does everything. She loves to move, she loves to groove, she loves a lot of things. All night, every night. So hold tight, Yeah, now, I thought you said.
That's it. That's exactly what Well, what do you run for input? I got two radios. I go down to 7, 8 pounds. Well, right now it's 8. Yeah, that's way too much. Yeah, well, I run 8. Easy. Right now it's 8. Yeah, that's way too much. Yeah, well, I run 8. Easy.
All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Hot Rods and Hogs car show out at Trout Creek Memorial Park. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, comment, and share, and maybe even subscribe on the way out. We really would appreciate it. And if you think about it, don't forget to share this around to your friends and family and tell them to follow this guy and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.